With the rapid development of artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing, 5G and other technologies, Gotech as an advocate and practitioner of global smart life and a global cloud-based end-to-end smart IoT solution provider, keeps pace with times and develops upward with a trend. Gotech was founded focusing on digital set-top box as the core business. In 2007, with self-developed PVR set-top box having huge impact on the market, Gotech sold 3 million digital set-top boxes in just 3 years, with sales revenue exceeding $75 million. From them, Gotech became a dark horse and one of the top 3 exporters of digital set-top box in China, and continued processing forward in big strides. In 2008, Gotech headquartered in ZHUHAI and expanded the core business into the fields of security, telecommunication, healthcare electronics, smart home, smart city, and professional manufacturing successively. In 2018, Gotech focused its overseas core business on 4 major segments: digital set-top box, telecommunication, security and IoT. In 2014, Gotech sales revenue exceeded $150 million and was listed on NEQ to enter the capital market. By 2021, Gotech has developed into a group company with a revenue of $600 million and 4,000 employees. With the groups expanding, Gotech's global business is flourishing rapidly, with customers spreading to Middle East, Europe, Africa, South America, Southeast Asia, in more than 50 countries around the world. In recent years, Gotech has paid more attention to the promotion of its own brand, Stavix, which has entered South America, North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and other markets. Gotech maintains regular exhibitions and customer visits over the years to reach customers at first time. You can find Gotech at IBC, IFA, Ingacom, and other famous exhibitions every year before pandemic. Every year, more than 5% of annual revenue has been invested in R&D. Gotech gathers a large number of elite in this field. More than 500 R&D engineers located in ZHUHAI, Shenzhen, and Chengdu. They are qualified for information system integration, fast customized development, strong IoT system integration, and project implementation. Gotech has innovated nearly 100 independent intellectual property and patents. Gotech has built up a dedicated quality assurance system and is qualified with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and BSCI, etc. Gotech's products are compliant with CE, ROSE, ERP, CCC, and UL. Based on its IoT cloud platform technology, Gotech has formed the interconnection and integration of its 4 global business segments. Digital set-top box products are mainly including digital satellite, terrestrial, cable, OTT, hybrid receivers, and home multimedia center. Products are designed for both FTA and pay TV markets. Telecommunication products include GPON, XGS-PON, wireless router, 4G and 5G CPE. Security and IoT products include IP camera, video doorbell, MVR and MVR kits, CCTV monitoring system, smart home series products. All Gotech products are applied in smart cities, commercial, banks, residences, healthcare, industrial parks, and etc. Gotech creates its own application and cloud platform, which is compatible with ZHUHAI. Gotech has already formed strategic partnerships with many well-known companies around the world, such as Nagra Vision, National Chip, Montage, Ali, and Logic, etc. Focusing a lot on automated manufacturing, Gotech has equipped with dust-free purification workshop, intelligent monitoring, and a management system, which realizes production centralized control management, automatic assembly and debugging, AGV logistics, automatic warehouse sorting, and palletizing, and enables annual capacity of 30 million units of various intelligent terminals. Enjoy smart technology and create a better life. Gotech will follow the trend of the new era to start a new journey and let people enjoy the smart life over new technology of 5G, IoT, and new type of entertainment.